Develop your skills, manage relationships, progress your career through effective communication with the help of Communication Genie.
Hello and welcome to my channel, Communication Genie. Today I'll be talking about networking and more specifically, where to start from. The first thing you want to identify is how fast you can go, your pace, and your interest area. To identify your pace, ask yourself this. Do you have a lot of time to actively build out and maintain a large network, or do you have other priorities and can only afford to add folks to your network slowly and over time? To identify your interest, consider this. Are you well established on your career path and have a clear understanding of what you want and where you want to go? Have you identified the mountain you want to climb? Or are you still investigating and researching, looking for your mountain? If you've already identified your interest area, you can likely go at a slower pace. In this case, you can pinpoint the right folks to connect with much easier. You need to spend more time establishing, developing, and maintaining the relationships. If you're still looking for the mountain to climb, you can likely go at a faster pace. In the research phase, you may meet with someone, learn more about what they do, how they got there, what a day in the life of this person looks like, what opportunities exist in their career path, and at the end of it all, decide that this isn't the mountain you want to climb. Although your connections through the research phase of networking are still valuable and would be great to maintain over a long period of time, you can generally spend less time in developing and maintaining these relationships. Now, for who to connect with. Start easy. Classmates, colleagues, business partners, and stakeholders. Folks that already know you or know of you. There is less work to get started in this case, but also less value because their bubbles are very close to your own bubble. So the additional knowledge and information they can share with you and you with them will be limited. Move out one more layer. Ask for connections and referrals. Be specific, like, can you introduce me to person X? Rather than, is there anyone you can introduce me to? Make it easy on them. Move out one more layer. Do your research and find individuals of interest within your organization, from your school alumni network, folks you meet at conferences and training sessions. And LinkedIn. Find people that are in the industry or type of role that you're interested in, and then just ask. It's easier said than done, I know. Like, share, and subscribe to learn more on the how in my next video.